Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, alright, attempt number 3 at an intro because I cannot talk and keep my mind straight. Welcome back to the channel guys. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe. So, today is going to be a Friday vlog. I did not forget about the bikes. I just don't know what else to record about them because you can only talk so much about one bike and 2 bikes, whatever. The R6 and the Grom, they're still here. My garage is a mess. My car is filthy. I don't know if you guys can see it in the last video, but I never really fixed it, or I never cleaned it. I'm gonna go wash it right now. And I've decided to make Fridays a vlog day, so you guys can keep up to date with my life if you guys even care. And I'm gonna ask your guys' opinion on things like my computer. My computer's like taking a crap right now, and I don't know what it could be. I mean, I'm thinking it's the power supply. I ordered more RAM. I don't think that's the problem. I think that was just more of a selfish thing. But the computer, it wants to freeze. It wants to drop frames and stuff when I'm playing games. And I've been trying to figure it out for like a week and a half now, and I still can't figure it out. And it's not like I have other nerdy friends around here to let me borrow some parts, so I know what I need to buy. And there's no real way to like reenact what's causing it. So it's just randomly when I'm playing video games. I think I did cause a problem because I googled it that you're not supposed to be turning off your computer every night, and like the switch and everything on the power supply, and I've been doing that for a year. So I think the power supply just like took a crap on me, and now it's just like freezing every once in a while, and I need to buy a new one. So if you guys are nerds, let me know in the comments below what you guys think it could be. It is not getting a blue screen, it's not getting a gray screen. The screen flickers when I'm playing games, and that's when the frames drop, and eventually it'll freeze if I don't restart my computer soon. So I'm driving my Lexus. There's a light for the tire sensors. I don't want to do that because the tire sensors are like $90 a sensor, and Lexus charges to install them like $25 a tire. And so yeah, it's like 100 and something. I'm not a math wizard, but like 115-ish dollars, I think, to change out one sensor. And I got 4 of them. I got 5 of them. And of course they'll diagnose which ones are broken, but I think if you're changing one, you might as well change them all. So that's like, I don't know, $500, over $500 of tire sensors and installation. Yeah, so there's that. I really need to do an oil change on this thing because it's like 1,000 miles over from my standards, because I do it every 3,000 miles. The car recognizes it as every 5,000 miles, so I need to do that. Hopefully that's not gonna happen today. Maybe it'll be a next weekend thing. But I gotta change the oil in this thing. It has 169,000 miles. It was supposed to be changed at 168,000 miles. And oh, that brings me on to another thing. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with this car. Like what's next for this vehicle? Because I was thinking about lowering it on aftermarket air suspension, because I think the front right bag, the stock air suspension, is leaking. And as you can hear, my controller arms are broken. The bushings are bad. And it's $80 for the set of the bushings, but I have to take the car apart. And me living in an apartment, it's not very convenient for me to take it apart. I could do it myself, but I just don't have the space for it. And I just sold the Harley, as you guys can tell in my last video. The Harley's gone, so that's gonna save me some money, and that gets me even closer to buying a truck, because I really want to buy a truck. I used to have a truck. I've had it in like some really super old videos I have on this channel. If you guys want to see it, it's a 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 with the Dura Max. Have to have the Dura Max I mean, the only thing that was a pain in the ass for that car, or the truck, is that it's huge and it was hard to wash. Now this car, I've been abusing it and I haven't been washing it, and it's been like 3 months or so since I washed it, and it sits outside. So yeah, I usually don't treat my vehicles like this, but I live in an apartment now, and when I had the truck, I lived in a house, and it was a lot easier, more convenient to wash vehicles. Which also leads me into another thing. I really want to buy a house, and I think I cannot do that because I'm in a lot of debt. I think the truck is more doable, and I want changes happening soon. So I think the only thing that can actually happen soon is a truck rather than a house. And once I get the truck, I'm afraid that the bank is going to be like, oh well, here's this $70,000 loan for a vehicle, you're going to need to get rid of it so you can get approved for this house. That's worst case scenario. I mean, actually worst case scenario is they just don't approve me at all and I sell the truck again and I don't get a house or a truck. So that's worst case scenario. But the truck should be next. The house maybe, depending on if the bank likes me or not. But between now and then, before my next move, I need to pay off some debt. I need to pay off some debt to free up my credit, and that way the bank doesn't think I'm a risk. I've always had good credit, but it's just lately the whole COVID thing it's been a headache for me. And of course, during tough times, you have to use credit cards, so I had to use my credit cards, and now I'm in this hole. So once I get out of that hole, then I can buy a truck, I can buy a house, whatever. I was thinking that an S1000 would be next, but I don't see that happening. With the way that my head is working right now, motorcycles are low priority as far as vehicles. Buying a vehicle is, because I really want a truck, and this car has some issues, not horrible issues. They can easily be remedied, and they're not very expensive. It's just more of a convenience thing. So yeah, that's my little spiel. I think I'm just gonna cut the video right here because I don't think you guys want to hear my problems. But I'm gonna post it anyways because, you know, consistency. That's how YouTube works, the algorithm and everything. So I appreciate you guys listening to my rant. If you guys can, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And subscribe. If you guys enjoyed this little rant or enjoy this channel at all, have any suggestions, or if you guys like specific things like my Sunday videos where I just post videos of me writing, you guys seem to like that. You guys don't like listening to me to talk. But if you guys like something, leave it in the comments below. I'll do more of it, and I'm going to go wash my car right now. So have a great day. I appreciate the support, and see you guys next time. Keep it cruising.
And there she goes, heart that pounds like a stereo. You take me round